Hello, this is Michael at SkipperBud's in Bay City. Today we got a Barletta 2021 L-Class. This is a 25 UC. As you can see, we have the doggy dock view. This one is opal white with the black rails. Got the LED docking lights. It's got the electric bimini top. The extended rear deck, safety chains. This one's powered by the 150 horse Mercury 4-stroke. As you can see, we got the rear facing speakers, radio controls, and you got your battery shut off. This is the Ultra Lounger. Walking in, you can see we have the anchor storage compartment. Armrests. Got the in-floor storage. Dual captain seats. It's got a phone charger. Got the Ultra Lounger again. This has the raised helm. Red. You have a table right there. This boat has the RGB lights, so you can change the colors of your lit cup holders and mood lights.